Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix what can't be recommended on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Go ahead and click on your profile section in the bottom right. And then once you're here in your profile page, first of all, click on the icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, you're going to be here. Right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. Scroll a little bit down until you find what you see. And here under it, you're going to find favorites, muted accounts, suggested content, and lastly, like, share, and count. Click on suggested content. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find content from accounts you don't follow. You're going to find content you're interested in, content you collect on not interested. Here you're going to find specific words and phrases. So from here, you can add uh, words or phrases and they will be hidden automatically. Here you're going to find sensitive content settings. As you can see, guys, you can choose to see less sensitive content, more standards, or more. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find political content. You can limit political content from people you don't follow, or you can choose to not limit political content from people you don't follow. And lastly, here you're going to find snooze suggested and posts in feed. So if you want, you can enable this option. Suggested posts are hidden in feed for 30 more days. So right now I'm going to disable this option and this is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.